You know, you never see the image of a ball of Jesus yet, and they say, kill Jesus and give them the boy them in the parliament, the robber, liar, and thief.
Yeah.
Then he is the godly man. Yeah? I never see the image of a ball of Jesus yet. And we who represent Jesus.
True.
Jesus make blind see. He make dumb talk. He make deaf hear. He raise the dead Lazarus. And the people themselves kill him. And give them Barabbas, the thief. So I said where the people them wouldn't want to come on our side. The people them down here don't like nothing good. A be wrong the people them support.
Real talk, real talk.
And after they support wrongs and when wrongs come down upon them is a set of hypocrite and make it look like it's not them support it. Like wrong just come down upon them innocently. And at them who support wrongs. And when wrongs take them a ball. Like I know them. Them is a set of hypocrite.
Real is right.
You are a video?
Yeah.
Right now, you is one who live in my area. I know my character. And the people them out there, when
True.
I know nothing about me,
True.
only want to hear things and walk around and be approved. And I tell other people say something goes up. And then don't know nothing.
Yeah,
so the
but
people them live by ear so.
here sort about you fuck you that.
And
I
here-
look waste argument them my youth. Yeah,
Well,
more you make them know.
Fuck, say molest.
Molest. More you make them know the 100 pound that. Cause right now we not like hear them loose argument there. You
No.
know what I say?
No, I am a man of manner, discipline, respect, and principle. Family ram thing is batty man business. Is man who fuck animal and fuck batty. Who don't look for fuck his sister, his mother, or his daughter.
Simple logics, brother.
Now, the boy who do it go to prison and doing time.
That a Joshy.
Come, the boy who do it go to prison and doing time. When them people them here say one ras, when name Joshy, fucking daughter and police go for him. The people them jump up say yes they know is who. And why them get such a clue? Me grow my daughter them 14 years without mother. And the mother go away and go give 4 more picnic and run we left them pan the man again. And come back at my place when I am not here. And I tutor my daughter them to come with her. She cannot help them. She don't have a job. She don't live nowhere. And she come and see the biggest one. Very intelligent. I do 3 here. My basic school them by myself. Until them graduate and go to primary. When she come and see how the big one intelligent, the daughter get jealous and say, I know say she no play her mother part. And I me alone play the mother and father part for and get jealous and say, any good, and me alone I go get it. And how to her belly them come from. And she go and mash it up. Me alone not getting the benefit or pick me them. And she not get none. The poor little child them when them leave from with me they not half ready for man. Good. She encourage them and they start walk behind her. When me look and see 14 years, me go and me see several and she come. Me say, alright, since she come to play for her part now, and them a walk behind her, them turn out adult, and me no have no big one around me where fi guide them when I'm not here. People I use them. I send them a shop I buy half pound of chicken back with them now send them for them picnic. Go buy half pound of chicken back and pound of chicken back. Have them a clean them house. Creep up their yard and I give them $20. And when me see the disadvantage, me said no. It better them go on, you know. She take them the mother dreadlocks, my 3 daughter dreadlocks. And she go away and go trim her fair dread, go to prison Police catch her and the man where she give the 4 picnic with ganja. She have belly for the man. The man say she will take the charge. Just so she have big belly. For her position they find the ganja in her. The man say she will take this, him will take the charge. And just so she have the big belly. Them give her a chance and free her. The girl jump up na the van. Me nah come out of no van, me nah come out of no van. The police them say alright. And carry her away. And go lock her up. And she the 3 months of Fort Augustus prison and have the man first pick me a prison. Show you how the woman dark. Good.
Good.
You see after Joshy fucking daughter and he go to prison and during time and come back and them here nobody even know say I wash him name. 1 and 2 people know but then call me Peanut Dread. When they hear Joshy and me the people them start spread fast rumor propaganda and anywhere me go point out people say see him there and make the fast rumor propaganda go round. And I try to fuck my character. Actually fuck my character because everywhere me go, Jamaica people don't want to see, they just want to hear. They walk around and be approved when they don't know nothing.
True.
I regret for no say hear me born and grow with these girls and boys. So